Hello, my name is Dillon Daniel and I'm a first semester organic chemistry survivor. I'm supposed to earn extra credit for teaching you something in organic chemistry. But the best thing that I can do for you as an entry-level contender is to give you some pointers on how to study organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is a subject that will make a few cry, many angry, and most frustrated. I am not trying to scare you, just informing you to listen to my plea. Now I have a list of ingredients that will improve your quality of life as an organic chemistry student. These are not mandatory, but as an organic chemistry student, I have found them extremely beneficial and helpful. Now first on the list is a textbook. Now for some classes you shouldn't buy this, but for this class you definitely should. So you should read every chapter, and you should also buy the solution manual too. Now, to make this ingredient work beautifully in this recipe, you must read the chapter and work most of them out. Now, you should do every single problem in it. Now, if you can't, do most of them. And then after you do that, you should check them in the solution manual. Now, if you don't do the last part, then you shouldn't do the whole part, because there's no point in working out a bunch of problems and not knowing the answers to them. So definitely get the solution manual. Now the second is a binder. Now you should get a binder to hold all of your notes, quizzes, exams, and notes. These are needed for review and practice. Third is a binder that has all of your notes from your last chemistry course that you took, which for me is organic chemistry. Now fourth is a good pair of walking shoes. You would need these for every walk that you need to go to class, because you should go to class every time there is so. Missing class is not good. You will miss a lot of notes even if you've taken the course already. Go to class. Now, fifth is a notebook. And you need a notebook inside of your backpack in case you forget to bring your notes to class, because taking notes is extremely important. Seventh is an iPod with good headphones, and that is because you need to stay awake while studying, because you need to study for this class. Seventh, hair clippers. The reason you need hair clippers is for a quick shave. This is for both genders, and the time you will save, you will be able to eat breakfast. So, yeah. Eighth is a water bottle. You don't want to get dehydrated while studying. So, yeah, keep that around. Ninth is a pillow. You will need this because every now and then you will pass out while studying, and you want to be comfy when you do so. Now, I have some spices that really will help you create a tasty ARV in this class. Now, the first thing is Google, because you really could use Google a lot when searching for nomenclature answers. You also need a phone to call a classmate for help. You need a phone to call your family or friends for moral support. You need to shut off your Facebook for focus, and you also need to keep it on to take breaks, because your mind will go crazy. You do need Tic Tacs. You gotta keep fresh for the smart organic chem girls. And remember that you must be able to focus on this subject for at least 20 to 30 hours prior to each exam. Now, unless you're a genius, well, if you're a genius, you're just making fun of me. But please, study. Good luck and happy baking. I mean, go get 'em.